Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of Create Kingdom Plans. And in today's video, we're going to talk about this travel makeup brush set with an LED light mirror. Now this is a beautiful rose gold and pink brush set that is perfect for traveling. So I'm going to show you all that it comes with and all the great things that it can do. But first, let's get into the unwrapping, not really unboxing, but unwrapping of this kit. Let's get started. So this travel makeup brush set comes with 14 different makeup brushes included and ready to go. So these are the miniature sized brushes, so perfect for fitting in a mini travel weekend bag. Or if you're traveling by plane, you can put this on your carry-on. It's small enough to do that. And if you want to, you can even put it in your actual suitcase. So it's very small. It doesn't take up a lot of space, which is what I love. So some of the brushes that are included are powder brushes, eyeshadow brushes, concealer brush, a precision crease brush, a flame brush, angled brush. Like, it has so many brushes in here ready for you to travel with. So like when I'm going on holiday with my family, this is something I plan on bringing along with me so that I can get my makeup done really quickly and I don't have to bring my whole set of, expensive makeup brushes and expensive tools and mirrors and all that stuff. I can just have everything here. And speaking of mirrors, the mirror in this set is the key. I think the mirror is what sets this apart from any other travel set because it has LED bright lighting just in case you don't have enough bright lighting in your hotel or wherever you're going, and you can see perfectly all the makeup and everything that you're doing. I think it's pretty cool to have that feature as well. And if you don't want the lighting, you can turn it off easily. So that is up to you. So I think it's really cool that you can have your own mirror, especially like if you're traveling with friends or family and you have 3 women doing makeup, you can have your own little mirror and makeup set ready to go. So if you want to just do a final check in the big mirror, you can do that. But just to do your close-up eyeshadow, your close-up eyebrows, things like that, you have your own little mirror to do that with. So I'm just showing you guys all the brushes and the sizes so that you can see what it comes with. So it's really nice that it does come with 14 different brushes, and I think it's super cute that they're so small. And you don't have to include all of them. If you don't need all of these brushes, you don't have to include all in the pack. That way you leave room for a small makeup palette or even some pencils or other brushes that you have. Also, I want to highlight that this does have a mirror that can rotate 360 degrees. So that's really helpful depending on the angle that you want to get. So as you can see here, I'm taking the brushes out and I'm feeling them. They are super soft on the skin. They're some of them are pretty flexible and some of them are pretty stiff. So depending on what you're using the brushes for, you have that versatility as well. And like I said, they're all very soft to the touch. So right out the box, they are ready to go. But I do recommend definitely washing them before using, because if you have skin like mine, who's very sensitive, you want to make sure that everything is clean. So one of the drawbacks that I noticed from the brushes is that some of them have a little bit of the hairs, the bristles, whatever you would call them, that are coming out a little bit. So you would have to trim it so that it doesn't mess up your makeup, especially if it's like an eyeshadow brush that you're using. So I guess depending on which brush, you can kind of see here that the bristles are coming out of it. So, but it's not for all the brushes, just some of the brushes I've noticed that a little bit of the bristles are coming out. So you just have to trim that before using. For the most part, I think it was just 2 brushes that had that issue, but most of them were pretty good. So the quality is, of course, it's not going to be like 1,000%. I mean, the price is unbeatable. So if that's the issue, that's nothing to me. So speaking of the price, we are looking at these items at a very, very affordable price, and you can find them easily on Amazon. So definitely check the link down below. So this brush set is $19.99 on Amazon. It is called the BS Mall Travel Makeup Brush Set, Foundation, Powder, Concealers, Eyeshadows, Makeup Set with LED Light Mirror 14-piece mini makeup brushes in pink. It also comes in purple and it comes in white. So you do have different color options. And for a limited time, there is a coupon for $1 off. And you get to also redeem 10% off if you purchase 3 items. Okay, so if you purchase 3 other items, you're going to get a 10% discount. And you can take $1 off of this makeup brush set. So, you know, on Amazon, depending, you know, your location, you can get this as early as the next day. So I'm going to link it down below if you're very interested, or if you're traveling, definitely get this brush kit. I really recommend it and I cannot wait to use it on holiday. All right, guys, so I hope you liked this review. This is a really awesome product, so I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. 14 brushes for the price of $19.99, and it includes a brush kit box and an LED mirror. Also, in order to charge the LED mirror, there is a charging port that you can charge it in. It is a Type-C charging port. You can use, for example, your iPhone 15 and up. The same charger that you use for that, like you can see right here, is the same one that will charge it up. So you can use your USB charging and it will work perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.